Okay, everyone, don't tamper with fire alarms in my house. If you are in my house, you better respect my property. Do not touch my fire alarms or anything that I own. Let's just say you are coming into my house. You break in my house, you play with my light switch on the wall, you take my light fixture off the ceiling, you take the bulbs out of it, and you change the speed or the direction on my ceiling fan. You take my ceiling fan off the ceiling. Also, if you take my lampshade out of my lamp, you play with the switch on it, and you take the bulb out of it, that is tampering with my light fixtures, and you don't do that. Also, if I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling, and you take it off the wall or the ceiling, that is tampering with my fire alarm, and you don't do that. Bye.